Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Kasa Smart Plug to the new Wi-Fi network in 2026 step by step. So before even opening the Kasa application for the connection, you need to make sure that your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as most of the Kasa Smart Plugs do not support the 5 GHz setup. So once you have done that, you need to simply locate this particular power button on top of your plug. Then you just have to simply plug the Kasa Smart Plug into the power. Afterwards, you just have to simply press and hold this particular button on the plug for at least 5 to 10 seconds until the Wi-Fi light starts blinking amber or green or orange and green. So when it starts blinking, it simply means that the plug entered into the setup mode and it is now ready for the connection. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply open the Kasa Smart application on your device. Now over here, click on this plus icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then select the option of devices. Now over here, select the option of add devices and you need to simply select the smart plug. Afterwards, you just have to simply select your Kasa plug from this particular list. Then you just have to simply follow further on-screen instructions inside the application. Now on some of the phones, you may need to manually connect to the temporary network, which is called TP-Link Smart Plug XXX before continuing the setup. Now, once you have done that, you just have to simply choose the Wi-Fi network and then you need to enter the password. So once the setup finishes, you need to rename the plug. You can also test turning it on and off, and you can also confirm it appears online inside the application. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.